Welcome to our guide on how to master artificial intelligence. Whether you're just starting out or looking to deepen your AI expertise, this video is tailored for you. To begin your journey, it's crucial to understand the basics of AI. Familiarize yourself with the fundamental concepts like machine learning, neural networks, and deep learning. These building blocks form the backbone of AI technology. To effectively develop AI applications, it's essential to master programming, languages like Python and R, which are widely used in AI development. Additionally, get acquainted with popular libraries such as TensorFlow and Scikit-learn, as they provide powerful tools for AI implementation. Furthermore, learning data preparation techniques and data analysis tools is vital. Understanding your data is key to the success of AI projects. Gain proficiency in extracting, cleaning, and transforming data to ensure accuracy and reliability in your AI models. Now let's dive deeper into machine learning. Models such as regression, classification, and clustering. Experiment with various algorithms to solve real-world problems. This hands-on approach will enrich your understanding of how AI algorithms work and their practical applications. As your AI journey progresses, explore advanced topics like reinforcement learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Stay updated on the latest trends in AI. Research to expand your knowledge and stay at the forefront of this rapidly evolving field. By following these steps and staying curious and persistent, you can master artificial intelligence. Remember that practice and hands-on experience are crucial to becoming proficient in AI, so ensure you actively apply your learnings in real-world scenarios. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tutorials and tips. Stay tuned for the next video, where we'll continue our exploration of artificial intelligence.